Tired of juggling multiple apps and feeling like your business communication is a total mess? Well, today, I'm going to show you how to seamlessly integrate Pabbly Connect with your Wati account, unlocking a world of automation and streamlined workflows. First, head over to your Pabbly Connect dashboard and click on the Create Workflow button. Name your workflow something descriptive, like Wati integration, so you can easily find it later. Now, in the Choose App section, search for Wati selected as your trigger app. This is where your workflow will originate from. Wati will be the starting point. Choose your desired trigger event. For example, if you want to start a workflow whenever a new message is received in Wati, select the new message received trigger. Next, you'll need to connect your Wati account. Click Add New Connection. This will prompt you for your Wati API key. You can find this key within your Wati account settings. Enter the API section, copy it and paste it in. Once your account is connected, click on the Capture Incoming Webhook Responses button. Pabbly Connect will now wait for a new message in Wati. Send a test message to your Wati number. This will allow Pabbly Connect to capture the data structure needed for the workflow. You should now see the test message data appear in Pabbly Connect. This confirms that Wati is successfully connected. Now let's add an action app. This is what will happen after the trigger. For example, if you want to add the new message information to a Google Sheet, search for Google Sheets and select it. Choose your desired action event. For this example, let's choose Add New Row. Map the data fields from Wati to the corresponding columns in your Google Sheet. You can use the Pabbly Connect's mapping tool to easily transfer the information. Finally, test your integration by sending another message in Wati. Check your Google Sheet to ensure the data is being correctly populated. And that's it. Once you're satisfied, turn on your workflow and watch the magic happen.